Alright, it's been 4 or 5 hours since I did the last part of that video, and you can see the Feedit widget over here on the right. Traffic come in from the States already, and my guess is going to be that this is the search engine spiders. Once the search engine spiders get to know your IP address and know you, they're going to be keeping an eye out to see what you're doing and what you're working on, really. So what I need to do right now is tell the search engines what my website is going to be about. And what I need to do is go to the Google keyword tool and do some keyword research, because this website, I just set this website up basically for training. But since I have it, there's no use of just throwing it away, right? You never know, in the future I might use it for something. So I'm going to do some keyword research on my own, and when I come back, I'm going to show you how to set up the traffic getting SEO plugin. This will be your blog details and such. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, for the sake of ease and speed, I've decided to go after a very easy keyword. And this is what's known as a long-tailed keyword, and it's going to be how to set up your own website and dominate the search engines. Now if we go and take a look at this and hide my private results, you're going to be noticing that I'm going to be actually competing against my own blog posts and videos that I've done in the past. And on the front page of the search engines right now, I've got control of every single one. Even these videos are mine, except this one isn't mine. So this is what I'm going to do. And again, this is an extremely easy keyword because I want you to understand how easy this is once you understand keyword research. And for some free keyword research training, go to guidetoonlinemarketingandsales.com/welcome to the guide. Down below this video here, you can join for free. This is a membership site. Join for free by clicking here. It's going to take you to a place that you can choose your own username and password, and then you can log into the keyword research, the phase 1. And right here there are 5 videos, I think. The first set is on the music niche, the music industry, and the second one is on work from home. Now what we should do is go to my notepad here, and I want to talk to you about the keywords that I'm going to be using for this short campaign that I'm going to be doing. I want you to note before we get into this that there are still 2,480,000 websites or web pages that we're going to get rid of in just a few days. And this is with a brand new website. So let's get into this text document. For your keywords, you use 6, 8 at the very most. So the keywords I have decided to use are going to be how to set up your own website, how to dominate the search engines, how to set up a blog on your own website, what do you need to start a website, search engine optimization, pricing, and always use your name in your keywords, no matter what you do. And for description, I'm just going to have, with search engine optimization pricing being so high, John Jarvis has decided to teach you how to set up your own website and how to dominate the search engines yourself. What do you need to start a website? Learn here. Now your name, let's control exit here, should be either first or second, so it will go right here. Let's pick up these keywords, copy them, and let's go back to our dashboard. Let's scroll down. Let's go into traffic getting. Click on blog details. So for keywords, I'm placing these right here. And it says right here 6 to 8 of your primary and secondary keywords, separated by commas. Okay, so for blog title, let's use how to set up your own website. And for extended blog title, let's use how to dominate the search engines. So we've got both of those keyword phrases in there, how to set up your own website and how to dominate the search engines. Description, I'm going to pick this whole thing up, and don't go overboard with your description either. Let's copy it. Let's paste it right here. And I want you to watch this change. Let's save the details right here. And let's come back here and refresh this. Oops, I misspelled search. I'll fix that. There we are. Now notice over here your extended blog title, how to dominate the search engines. That shows up right here. And how to set up your own website. That goes right here. Now right here, my WordPress blog, this would be your blog slogan. So let's change this to something that's related. We'll find one of these other related keywords. We'll go with how to set up a blog on your own website. And let's save details. Let's come back here and refresh. Now we've got how to dominate the search engines, how to set up your own website, and how to set up a blog on your own website. As of right now, I just told the search engines exactly what my website is about, right to the letter. And let's come back here. The traffic getting SEO plugin is set up. And if we go to all-in-one SEO, let's dismiss this. You're going to notice that we took care of all of this stuff too with what we just did. So we took care of both of those WordPress plugins with just this little thing that we just did with the traffic getting plugin. So let's go back to the dashboard. And I believe that it's soon time to start worrying about getting our autoresponder over here. So I'll see you soon. Alright, it's time to add an autoresponder in our sidebar. And it's best if you have an image that represents what you're giving away to people, like on my good website. This is johnjarvistraining.com, and here I have free and just a representation of the Internet Marketer's Toolkit. And then your autoresponder goes here. And it should always say your information will never be shared with anyone. Now here's another website I built at the same time as that one. Free ebook, free report, your info will never be shared. And these work extremely well. And you'll notice that over in my sidebar I don't have a whole lot of advertisements. This is how your homepage should be set up actually. Do not advertise to people as soon as they get to your website. You're never going to see any dollar signs on my homepage, ever. Okay, so now let's get back to what we're working on now, which is right here. I need to add my image here, and I just happened to make one up. So what I'm going to do is add a new page. And I'm going to call this test page, practice page works. Let's simply save this as a draft. This will never be published. And this one is not for the public to see. Let's go into visual. I'm going to put some X's here. Now let's grab all of these and let's center them. Now right here is going to be the image. So I add media and I upload files, and I'm going to select the file that I'm going to upload. And on my desktop, it's right here, giveaway image for John Jarvis website. And whatever you name your images, the search engines are going to pick this up too. And caption, I won't bother with a caption. Alt text, you want the search engines to pick up what your website is going to be about. How to set up your own website works. And for description, I'll just put this again. And alignment, let's leave it at center. Just click on insert into page. Now if we click on this text, and we pick all of this up, copy it, and let's go to our appearance widgets, and let's go right over here, and let's just paste that code right there. Now let's save. Now let's go back to the website and let's refresh this. Obviously this would need to be a wider image depending on the WordPress theme. I happen to make this one 200 wide. It's appearing here that it only uploaded as 121 wide, so I'll fix that. Let's go back to the test page again. Let's edit it. Let's go back to visual. Let's highlight these again. Add media. Upload files. Select files. And I'm just going to go through this all over again, except this time I'm making sure it uploads at full width. See, there's where I went wrong. The size here is medium. We want full size. And again, alt text, how to set up your own website, description, giveaway image, and insert into page. Let's go to text, copy all of this. This time let's save the draft. And now let's go back to our widgets. Right here where it says text. Let's paste it in properly this time. And let's save. Now if I come back and refresh, there we are. Now the first thing someone sees when they come to my website, my home page, is yours free. Enter info below. And right here will be where the autoresponder goes, or here, one or the other. So let's go back to my test page. And edit. And visual. Alright, let's take a look at these other two websites again. You've got your image-free ebook. Your info will never be shared. It's right there, it's bold, I like that. And the other one, it has a good image, it's got the form code here. This is okay, but I prefer this one. So let's get rid of these. Let's go back here. And right here, let's do the brackets thing. Your info will never be shared. Let's highlight this. Let's make it black. Show the kitchen sink here. And I don't know why they call this kitchen sink. Don't ask. Right here, use black. Let's see what it's like if we bold it. Let's preview this. That's the right width. It looks pretty good. So this will be going over here, obviously, right? So now all we need to do is add our autoresponder code. Now let's talk about that for a second. I use Traffic Wave. I really like Traffic Wave. Traffic Wave is $17.95 a month for unlimited subscribers. 30 days are free. If you're here to make money on the internet, I mean from different sources, daily money from different sources, Traffic Wave does not have the best pay plan. Like I've got a downline of 33, 34 people and it's paying me back $1 a month. There's also Aweber. I'm an affiliate for Aweber and some of the top dogs on the internet use it. I don't like it, and their affiliate plan I don't like at all. There's Pure Leverage. Pure Leverage is right here. It's very easy to set up. I have specific training videos for Pure Leverage and for Traffic Wave. And with this one here, you get paid 100%, and when you sponsor someone, it's 100% that you get paid back. That's 100% the first month, and then it goes 50% the second month and 50% for the people that they refer to this company. So I can make, and so can you, make very good money with Pure Leverage. Now the cost of the Autoresponder for unlimited here is $24.95 a month. If you do choose to become a reseller, there's a $19.95 fee for your payment processor. And if you must use a free one, there's one called MailChimp, but I highly suggest that you don't use free stuff. This is your business. And besides, MailChimp only allows you to send out so many messages to so many people. After your list gets so big, then they start charging you. So I'm going to leave links under this video on the website for 3 of these. What you decide to go for is up to you. So now let's go back to here, and what I'm going to do is show you how to add, let's change this for starters, a Pure Leverage Autoresponder, and I'm going to show you how easy it is.